Come thrift with me at Value World. Okay, you guys, I am at Value World. I am thrifting today. So come along with me while I thrift. I do have an e-commerce store. So I go thrifting to see what I can find. So hopefully I can find some treasures. Okay, so far I found a pair of new jeans, right? It's a queen size for $6.40, and this is what they're looking like. Okay, and then I also found a pair of classic dress pants. They're queen size. It was originally $12.60. It is now $6.30. And these are a good pair of slacks. These are all new. So that's a definitely buy. And then I found another new pair of DJ2s for $4.60. So I'm going to get those. What you guys think so far? And then I found some Gloria Vanderbilts. And they are a size 20 women's. And that's only $3.40. And that's what they're looking like. And then I also found a pair of Wilshire. And it says a 5. But they're only $1.70. They're a queen size. So I'm definitely going to get those. So far, this is what I found. And then that's going to go online to my e-commerce. Yep, so I think my shopping is done. Moving on to the next store.